If you're looking to level up your cardio equipment and workouts for your fitness facility or home gym, listen up. I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness Equipment, and today we're talking about the Trac 8 Series. As you can see, the Trac 8 Series offers a turnkey solution for all of your cardio fitness needs. The 8 Series is a complete lineup of treadmills, bikes, and ellipticals. It's fully commercial, rated at 14 to 16 hours per day per use. It's perfect for any high traffic fitness facility and offers superior durability for home gym use. To speak to a sales rep, you can contact us at carolinafitnessequipment.com or visit our 35,000 square foot warehouse in Charlotte or any of our other sports and fitness retail outlets. As an authorized platinum dealer, Carolina Fitness Equipment is your Trac sales, service, and installation provider. Interested in learning more about the Trac 8 Series? You can reach us at carolinafitnessequipment.com, your one-stop shop for everything fitness.